welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm back again to do another bloom. I'm doing one on a 8x8 canvas, and I'm going to use some greens and pinks and magenta. I thought they would be very spring-like, and pink and white Cell Activator. I think it'll turn out pretty, I hope. So come by and stick around and see how I do it. Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm going to get to my bloom. I did one and the play button didn't work, or I forgot to hit play. I don't know what happened, but my video didn't record. And I did a beautiful bloom. I'll show you at the end. So I'm going to do another one on camera this time. But I'm gonna use the same colors, and I'll have two the same pretty much. Well, not totally the same, but I'll have two blooms with the same colors. That's okay. So I'm gonna pour some white house paint. It's my Beautitone eggshell. Beautitone eggshell paint. Let's see what this says. Beautitone Signature Series Eggshell White. With lots of air bubbles. Look at them all. Jeez. Guess I shouldn't stir it too much before I use it, but sometimes you need to. So we'll just poke them. I'll torch it a little bit. All right, so what I'm going to use, I have quinacridone magenta. It's a dark magenta. This is by Deco Art Premium. Just going to give it a little stir. I'm at the end of this. All right. All right, that's done. I have to make some more of that. Very pretty color. All right, so then, just trying to remember the order I did them in before, but I don't think it really matters. So then I think I'll put the Fairy Floss on top. I think I did that. This is this little piggy. Really pretty pink, pretty bright. Fairy Floss. Nice name. That's about it. All right. Then I think I'll put some, this is Pinot Gris. This little piggy. Oh, none left. Uh-oh. I should have made up some more, but I wasn't planning on doing another video till I realized my video didn't tape. That's okay. I'll use my apple green next. This is Pearlx. Okay. I have some Peridot green. So use that. And I have some medium magenta that I added some rose pink too, so I lightened it up a little bit. So I'm just trying to remember what I ended up with over there, the other painting. I ended up with green on top, so I'm gonna use a pink Cell Activator, pink and white. So this is a medium magenta. All right, that should be good. And then the Peridot green. And then my Cell Activator. This is a Extreme Sheen by Deco Art, metallic. that should be good. Oh, I got some pink in here. Okay. Okay. It's white. These are both mixed with Australian floetol. Still a lot of air bubbles there. Wait. Okay, I'm going to use this blower with this on my funnel on the end. Oh my goodness, I got carried away there. Looks very pretty. It's moving already. So many air bubbles. Okay, I can give it a spin now. Tip it this way. Okay, I'll spin it again. I'll go the other way. It's a little off center, but not bad. I don't mind. That green metallic is so pretty. Peridot green. And the apple green. Something's in there and I don't know what it is. And there it is, some goober thing. All right, I think it's pretty much done. I got all my corners are pretty much covered. I think I'll just give it one more spin. There, I'm fine. Good. Here. There we go. Now I'll get my other one and I'll show you the difference. I'll move this over a little more. Same colors. I swirled the middle of that one, but it's very, very similar. Very nice. I like them both. Anyway, I'll put them both at the end of the video as well. May as well show you both dried results. Okay, I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Please subscribe if you haven't already and give me a thumbs up if you like this. And yeah, come back to my art room again. Hit the bell for notifications so that when I do a new video, you'll be notified. Comment below, let me know what you think. Have a good day. Hi everyone. It's a dried bloom that I did with the greens and the pink and magenta. Dried really nice and smooth. Look at those pretty cells and the pretty colors. It's got a bit of a shine to it. And this is the other one that I did that I didn't video. And it came out really nice too. Dried good, smooth. Oh, I swirled the center. There you go. Two dried results. There you go. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.